समाप्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Speaker Madam. I rise today to speak out not just on a procedural matter, but on the very soul of our parliamentary democracy. Our Constitution does not merely create offices, it establishes sanctified institutions. And at the heart of our House sits the Speaker, the pivot of the democratic process and the guardian of our collective rights. This motion emphasizes the structural and symbolic foundations of the Indian Parliament, contrasting the elevated status of constitutional offices with what is described as the declining standard of political conduct. By invoking both judicial precedent and financial provisions, the narrative builds a case for the absolute neutrality of the Speaker, while simultaneously critiquing the current opposition tactics as a breach of democratic decorum. Parliament exists for debate, deliberation, and legislation. Yet in recent sessions, we have witnessed members rushing to the well of the House, slogans replacing arguments and papers being thrown towards the chair. And when the Speaker intervenes to restore order, instead of reflection, we see accusations against the chair. The manner in which the motion has been drafted reflects its lack of seriousness. The simple fact that notice repeatedly mentions the year as 2025 instead of 2026. Despite being signed by more than 100 members, it clearly indicates that this exercise is more political than genuine constitutional concern. Similarly, GMC Balyogi had made today India stands among the world's top 4 economies and remains the fastest growing major economy, attracting investments from across the globe. At the Conference of Speakers Commonwealth, Shri Om Birla Ji highlighted the strength of India's parliamentary democracy and the achievements of our institutions. Instead of taking pride in India's growing stature on the global stage, the opposition appears determined to undermine it. The Speaker himself has now become a target merely because he was once belonged to the BJP. The reality is that the moment he assumed office, Shri Om Birla Ji has maintained complete neutrality and stayed away from party politics. I therefore urge my non-Congress colleagues in the opposition to lift up carefully. If you continue to follow the agenda set by the leaders of opposition parties in parliament, it may harm your political image. I will conclude with a sincere suggestion to my friends in the opposition. If you truly want to strengthen democracy and effectively challenge the government, you must have leadership that is responsible, consistent, and credible. The real question before the House is not about the Speaker, it's about whether we satisfy somebody's ego. This House belongs to the people of India. The authority of the chair reflects the authority of the parliament itself. If we weaken the authority for a short time, political gains, we weaken the very foundations of our democracy. The foresight of Vajpayee ji is being followed by Prime Minister Modi ji in building institutions, not breaking them. It is time for the opposition to stop viewing the Constitution as a shield for obstruction and start
मुझे बहुत थोड़े समय के लिए बोलने के बोला है।